Hello and welcome back to the initial project.
We just want to have a chat about the stuff we haven't done.
Yeah, so we're talking about the stuff we haven't done, which is any progress on the car.
Yeah, nothing. Anyway, hang on. So let's do the intro.
Welcome to the initial project.
Welcome back. We just wanted to have a chat about what we haven't done to the project car.
Which is, I left it in your hands for 5 minutes and nothing's happened.
Yeah, so today's the day.
Yeah.
Let's do some work.
Yeah, so I guess in the last few weeks we've made small progress on this, but nothing sort of too camera worthy.
No.
We have decided on two things, hopefully: engine and paint.
Yeah. And they're pretty big decisions.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I think so. And I think we need to really crack in to getting some progress on this if we want to try and get it painted this side of Christmas. It's only what? Well, not this side of Christmas, this year.
This year.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Before we go back to work.
Yeah, and holidays is a good time to spray. Well, for me it is.
Yeah, you'll be spraying and I'll be away on holiday, so
on a beach somewhere, just chilling.
I'll be enjoying life, and then I'll come back, and so yeah, I guess when I come back, it'll be my first time seeing the car painted. So
that'd be exciting.
It will be. So
it'll be my first time too, because I'm just going to spray it blindfold and just hope for the best. So that's how I spray anyway.
So I'll come and look for all the runs and stuff. I mean, we can go to the white one and look at the runs on that.
We could do. There's at least one, not many. Yeah. So we're probably just going to get into it and time-lapse it, I think.
Yeah, I think it's going to be the best way. I mean, we've got a lot of progress to do if we want to get it painted before work starts up again. So, yeah, we're just going to get into it.
Sweet, let's do this.
Sweet.
Just that would catch up and touch base on what we got done last weekend because things come up and we had to go and do our own thing.
Yeah.
Legit.
That is going to clamp down so good.
Yeah. This is we sunroof, which oh, I can't wait. This is going to be like the highlight of this car. Do you imagine when it's the colour beep going down the street and then
the sunroof.
I mean, this already excites me. I mean, look at that.
That kind of already suits the colour we're going to paint it as well.
No, I think so. I reckon we tint it out again, make it dark.
Go like black.
Yeah, if it's easy enough to get off, which maybe is. Otherwise, I don't mind that. You know, it's still tinted.
Because the fact is like tinted similar to what we want to paint it.
Oh, that'll come up.
It'll look all right. Because we're going to.
This thing is going to be awesome. Because how many other little AEs around town have a sunroof? I know of one, maybe two, but none of them are actually road legal, I don't think.
Ah.
So yeah, it'll be ripping like this bloody sun.
Because what's going to be sunroof? Is it going to have a roof spoiler?
Roof spoiler?
No, because it's just going to have the
Yeah, we're gonna get one of those duck wings, I reckon.
Yeah, the duck wings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Because it just sends the back out a bit, and we're going to get a lip for the front.
Yes.
And I think that'd be about it. I kind of want to just do the lip first.
Yeah. The duck wing.
The duck wing.
And then see how it looks after that.
Yeah, because ideally I kind of don't want to put side skirts on this one, because then I'm really just venturing into my other build.
Exactly.
And I don't want to do that. I don't want it to be, oh, look, it's a copy of the last build. I want this one to be unique in its own way.
Yeah.
You know, like the roll cage and the sunroof. These two things make it unique in its own way. Our engine idea that we've got, which we will reveal pretty early into the new year, I think.
Because once the body's painted, insert colour here, the engine will pretty much not be far off being dropped in, right?
And I'm thinking when Rennie comes back from his holiday, he might start dressing up the engine, and then I just need to accumulate some parts for it, and he can just muck around with that for a little bit. Yeah, it'll be pretty early in the year.
Yeah,
it'll just excite me so much more. I mean, even just lifting the sunroof excites me. You know, seeing the sunroof and this roll cage, we're going to get the roll cage black, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
The roll cage staying black.
Yeah, I think so.
With the contrast colour to go around it.
Yeah, so we'll bring this outside colour up and in.
Yes.
Yeah, right into here.
Yes. And
carpet the front.
Carpet the front.
Yeah, and I've got some factory seats that'll get us by for now.
That's all we need.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's just gonna again, just the raw look of this makes me so happy.
The thing is, like, now we've got this much prep done, it's exciting again. Like, we know we're on the right track, we know where it's going to head.
So what it is, I put some more bracing through here the other day. So now it's actually hard, because it was a bit flappy before. So now I can get the little sander on here.
Yes.
Get this out and sand right up to the edge, and then the roof will be pretty much ready. Like, it's in really good condition, eh?
I'm surprised how well it came out.
Yeah, it just goes so flat.
Like, all of that's just gorgeous.
It was, to be fair, like, this on camera is going to look pretty severe. It was a little indent here. Now, most of this will end up coming back off when I sand it, but I just wanted to give it a good flat piece, because, to be honest, I probably still miss the indent. You know, I've got it here, and I've gone here. It's probably right here, but...
You can feel it dipping there.
Yeah, but it's also dipping because it's built up.
Yes.
You know, it's like it's flat, but, yeah, I just want to get it a bit nicer. And I just wanted to tidy this edge, and it's probably going to be the same story on the other side.
Yeah, we'll do this side, and then we'll flip it around and do the other side.
Yeah.
So I'm getting kind of sick and tired of doing prep work.
Yeah, well, I can't do any today because it's a hot day again.
It's too hot. Even last time we did it, it was just baking us.
So, what do you want to go do?
I think we'll go check out the 180 and see what the update is there with Claudia and Keana.
I've heard that 180 has made leaps and bounds. So, when we were there, it wasn't running.
No. The first time we were there, no, it wasn't.
Yeah, and the first time we were there, that's when we did the video, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And we didn't actually help them on camera that day, did we?
No, so we didn't do any work then.
No.
And then I think a few weeks later, we were in the area doing something else, and we said we'd pop by. Or they said they trying to get it started, or they'd wired up the battery, and that's what they got stuck. So then you and I went over and worked our magic.
Yeah.
Got it cranking, was it?
We got it. Yeah, we got it cranking that day.
Cranking.
Then when we took off, we had to go do something else. We had to visit another vehicle that wanted some wrap.
Yeah.
So we went and had a look at that job, and then we got a phone call.
Yep.
And we'll leave it there, and let's go visit them, and we'll see how they're getting on, eh?
Sounds good.
Awesome. The main reason I want to go back and look at the 180, actually, now that I remember, is I've had a few people message me either on YouTube or on my Instagram asking for updates of this 180, which is really cool. And again, I appreciate all the comments and feedback, so keep them coming. And because we will try and do the things that are asked, and this is one of them.
Exactly. I mean, if people are interested in seeing the 180, then let's go do it. I mean, it's a cool car.
It is a cool car. Yeah,
it's exciting.
Don't think your questions and stuff are gone unheard. Like, they're definitely heard, and so we're going to go check it out. And because they're good friends of ours, and I know it's made some good progress.
I think it's worth it.
Yeah. All right, let's go do it.
Sweet. All right, you drive.
So we've come back to see the 180 again, and it's static light. Beautiful.
It's very static. It's
Has much changed since we were here?
Yep. Interior's back in.
Oh yeah.
For the most part.
Have a look at that later on.
It's now got a lumen in it.
And how'd you go off the loom? Because off camera, I think we looked at the loom and it'd been cut up, and the previous owner tried to do like a wire tuck, but not really.
Yep, so I ditched that plan and went just back to OBM.
So you got one from Japan?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Alright, should we see if it starts up, eh?
Go on.
Yeah.
Your car, mate.
Oh, the rag out.
Oh, I thought
it like stops the...
I thought that covers the hole up.
No, that's sitting
I mean,
shoved up there.
I'll just put my hand over it. Can I?
Yeah.
Or something?
Your hand will do it.
Yeah, my hand will do
You
it.
won't get sucked in. Bye, Renan.
Bye. It's nice knowing everyone.
So from not going to hopefully going.
You guys.
I mean,
Well, we planned this well, didn't we?
this is how you know it's not fake.
Well, it turns over. I can see it moving. Okay, well, I'm going to say the battery's well and truly dead.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going for test number 2. Alright. Oh.
Like a dream.
Oh, that is good. Wow, that's some progress.
Where's the thing, mate?
Now let go of the vacuum. Yeah. Oh, there you go. That's awesome.
That's it.
That's some good progress. And you just chipped away at it, slowly but surely.
Yeah, we need a good bit of
Yeah.
output.
Yeah.
Nice, well done. So what's on the list now? Now that it's running.
E-fans.
Oh yeah. So let your fans go be hooked up.
Yep.
Obviously your terminal to the battery needs to be made to be a big one. And
Yeah, I need to sort it all.
yeah. The interior wise is pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what are you going to do paint wise? Because obviously these, well that'll buff up. You can go for the back bonnet for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, but just get these.
So I've got matching covers.
Oh, cool. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's that sort of. What are the guards?
Guards are just cracked.
Fiberglass.
Yeah. But,
Those need a bit of
Yeah.
TLC.
yeah.
Could you wrap them?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the car's all one colour.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm excited to see this out with the AEs. Going to
hell
Carly
yes.
in the new
Pop-up
year.
grant. Pop-up
Oh
grant.
yeah, team pop-ups. That'll be awesome.
I love
very
it.
Cool. Cool. Well, thanks for letting us come back and have a look at it.
Yeah.
Even though we see you every week anyway. So that brings us to the end of another episode.
Remember to like, share and comment and subscribe.
Of course, you got to subscribe. We need the subscribers.
I mean, we cracked 500.
Yep.
This is a big achievement for us.
Yeah, so this video will definitely be out when the 500s.
Yeah.
So that's quite exciting for our beginning channel.
I know.
So thanks everyone. And yeah, so we will be back one more time before Christmas.
Yes, one more video before Christmas, and that'll be us for the year. So don't forget to tune into that, and hopefully it's we might leak a little surprise at the end of the video. Who knows?
Oh, yeah, we'll see. Awesome. Thanks guys.
So, cheers.
See ya.